Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to create a simple model by using Solidworks. First of all, open Solidworks, click on File, New, then choose Part. After that, choose Front Plane and create sketch. Draw a center line from the origin point, then click on File and create this shape. Now let's specify the dimensions. And from this edge to this edge is 80 minus 10 in both sides, so this is 60 millimeter divided by 2 is 30 millimeter. And from this edge until the center is 20 millimeter. And from up to down is 24 millimeter. And from this edge to the center line is 40 divided by 2 is 20, 20 plus 20 is 40, so it's 40 millimeter. Now choose mirror entries and specify these lines mirror about this center line, then click OK. Now go to Future and extrude base, reverse the direction with 120 millimeter, then click on OK. Now after we created the base, let's create the shape. So click on this face and create sketch, normal to. Choose line, then draw a line, vertical. Then go back to this point and create arc. And close the shape. The radius of this arc is 25 millimeter radius, and from the center to this line is 42 millimeter. Create another circle with 20 millimeter diameter. Click OK. Now click on OK. Go to Future, extrude base, extrude and reverse the direction. Extrude by 60 millimeter because from this edge to this edge is 80 minus 10 in both sides. So 80 minus 10 is 70, and from the other 10 is 60 millimeter. Then press OK. Now let's create this rib. Click on right plane and create sketch, normal to. Create a line from this point to this arc. Do a relationship between this line and this arc, tangent. Now go to Future and click on rib. It should be in the middle like this with 12 millimeter thickness. Click OK. So this is our shape. I hope you like it. Specify a color. Then press OK, then save your project. Thanks for watching and